Hey guys, as a chiropractor, I get this all the time. What is that pop and what is that crack and why does my spine do that? So what I have here today is a vertebrae model. So this is your lumbar vertebrae. What you see is a facet orientation is vertical with this, and that's how I can tell it's a lumbar. This is your spinal cord and the nerves come out. So a lot of times what will happen is the joint will get stuck and fixated. So as a chiropractor, what we do is we move the joints in the way that it should. So when the joint is stuck and fixated like that and not moving, as you push on it, doesn't really move, then gas builds up in this little joint there, and then what we do is we find that restriction, we call it a subluxation, and that pop. So what you want to do is get to your chiropractor, get these subluxations fixed and adjusted so that little pop you hear is just gas being released, and it's going to make you feel a lot better.